We're here at the Radio Rooftop Bar on top of the Me London Hotel to show you how to make the perfect Bacardi Cuba Libre.
So let's start with plenty of ice.
This classic drink was born because of the perfect combination of cultures in Havana, Cuba, just after the Spanish-American War in the early 1900s.
Let's add fresh lime. Now, if you don't have one of these lime juicers at home, you can always just use your hands.
The US soldiers were drinking cola. It was already a favorite. The Americans knew that they were onto something. But the Cubans were onto something even better, Bacardi Carta Oro with fresh lime. One of the US soldiers decided to blend the two drinks together as a sign of unity between the two countries, and a classic was born. He then proposed a toast for Cuba Libre, for a free Cuba.
Simple, refreshing, timeless. The Bacardi Cuba Libre.
Made with Bacardi Carta Oro rum.